Hello there guys, welcome in another part. So in the previous parts we've done this. We have fairly basic shape of the radio. I know it's high poly at the moment, but I wanted to this specific asset to be high poly. It's gonna be really important for the level. It's gonna be really iconic. That's why I wanted to be a high poly, really good detail. The rest, less important items and assets will be obviously low poly. Okay, so let's keep going. I need to create another cylinder, just rotate it. Select all the faces, select this one and delete the back. And right now let's just position this properly. It has to be somewhere here. Something like that. What we're gonna do with this, it's basically a handle. Let's insert one edge. Over here. Oh, we can do something like this. We can select all of those edges and go to bevel. That's too much. Point 2 as well, too much. We can change this one in the bevel options. We don't need to go back and do it again. Yeah, like this is okay. So basically, if you want to go right now one more time to this bevel options, even if the model is beveled already, you see this inputs, poly bevel, and here you're changing the variables how you want. Okay, so right now let's create another cylinder, but this cylinder will serve different purpose. We need to make it smaller. This one is going to be basically one of the pipes. Even smaller. Something like this. Yeah. And right now let's insert the edges. We're gonna start with 3. Let's go to the front and let's change for the vertices. Select this vertices first. Let's rotate it. Doesn't really want to rotate it fast. Okay, something like over here. You can select edges or vertices, it depends wherever you prefer. I really prefer to do this with the vertices because it's really simple to select. So that's why I'm just doing this. With the edges, you need to double click it on it, and with the vertices, I just just click and hold mouse, and that's it, and all of them selected. Right now, what I'm doing is just select all the faces, and I'm just deleting those ones because they're not gonna be necessary. Okay. I will right now add one more over here. Okay, it's glitchy a bit. Okay, that's fine. Let's go for the edges. Select just those and just extrude this. Just put it there. So with this you can see it's fairly good. And right now we can smooth this mesh. It's looking alright. I know it's high poly, we can reduce it later, don't worry about that. Right now I just really care about the model. Okay, that's fine, just duplicate it right now. I'm gonna freeze transforms and I'm gonna check which axis is this, it's Z. I'm just gonna make on -1 and I have another one, another piece. Right now just to get the position right. Okay, this is done. Okay, right now what we're gonna do, create a cube. Make sure you're gonna change the viewport, make sure you're gonna have it on the definitely middle. Well, definitely middle. Somewhere around here. Okay, that's fair enough. Okay, and for this I need to insert edges as well. Actually I want to have as well 3. It's a nice number. Actually I'm gonna go for 5. Okay, I'm gonna first select this one. Actually just the top one. Pull it up. Somewhere here. Later those two. Pull it up. And those two as well. And just fix this one. Just put it up a bit more. Yeah. Right now I'm just gonna change again. I'm gonna add one more edge here, one more here, and one more here, and one more here. What this is gonna give me, it's gonna give me a nice handle. Obviously I need to smooth it, and as well, don't worry about it, later on we're gonna reduce the poly count. And actually right now I can see I can make it a bit larger, somewhere here. Something about that, a bit even more. And right now put it down. Okay, so let's just select that, group this one, see x-axis, let's go on -1 on x. Okay, I can first duplicate it, sorry. Go on -1 on x, and let's now just, go to modified center, and let's just move it in. Okay, and here we have the handle for our radio. Actually right now what we can do, we can pull this one down because that's a bit, right now we can see the proportion, so that's a bit too much, so that's perfect. So right now we have handle for our radio. What left for us to do from the modeling point of view, not texturing, is just play a bit with the bag. We don't really need to do the bottom because, well, nobody really gonna see it, and even I don't want to really do it. That's not showcasing the model, but it just need to be of a game level, and it's gonna be really extremely visible because that's gonna be first item which you're gonna see, and pay attention to the level. Like I want to have a really good representation of this model, and also buttons over here. Okay, but that's next.